Dear friend, welcome to channel. The US Geological Survey gave a preliminary magnitude of 5.7 and said the epicenter was about 7 miles west-northwest of the town of Nopalapan in Veracruz at a depth of 69 miles. The quick triggered seismic alarm 2035 miles away in Mexico City. But it was not felt in the capital. There were no immediate reports of damage. Located atop three of the large tectonic plates, Mexico is one of the world's most seismically active regions. The U.S. Geological Survey said the motion of these crustal plates caused frequent earthquakes and occasional volcanic eruptions. Thank their waiting time.